Welcome back to Digicel Rising Stars. I've decided to dub out Michael Bolton's song. It's no longer back on my feet again. It's we're back on the road again. Rising Stars auditions turn up again. Every year they do this to me. If it's not a rap, it's a dance or it's a song. But you know what? I saw it go. One day me I go boss and me I go boss big. But until then, the judges are seated and ready to hear what Mandeville has to offer.
Take your eyes off of me so I can leave. I'm far too ashamed to do.
Say your first name?
Onikio Watson.
Onik.
Onikio.
Onikio.
Yes.
What is the meaning of that name?
Well, it doesn't have any meaning, so I would place my own meaning.
All right, which is?
I would say it is to rise above all things.
All right, I accept that. That's beautiful. Is this your first time auditioning?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Really?
Yes, it was.
How was it?
It was very nerve-wracking. I must admit, I was shaking so much. I was shaking, but I am glad I made it through to the second selection. I'm very ecstatic about that.
Is there anything that you did in particular to prepare? Now that we're coming back, we're in person, the auditions are bigger, the stakes are higher.
Well, firstly, I tried my best to fine-tune my voice as best as I could with the knowledge that I have. I chose a song that I know that could show my range. Yeah, so I started off low and then I, got higher and higher.
Yes.
So yeah, that I would say would be the basic preparation I made.
Are you from Manchester?
Yes, I am.
And how long have you been singing?
Since I was 4.
Really?
We were already defeated. Everything changed me.
Very nice, Onikio. Very nice. I mean, you had a little bit of pitch issues, but I think those came from your nerves. I see where you have a brilliant range, which is so nice. Just need some more support here so that you have more power. But wow, yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Mm-hmm. He says, mm-hmm.
Yeah, yes.
Show the people on your ticket now. Show the people your ticket to show the people that you are now going to the next round.
Left a good job in the city, and I was working for the man every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep, and I was worrying about the way that things might have been. And big wheels keep on turning. Oh, brown Mary keep on burning. And we're rolling on the river. Cleaned a lot of plates in Memphis, and I pumped a lot of time down in New Orleans. But I never saw the kids out of the city until I hitched a ride on the riverboat Queen. And big wheels keep on turning. Brown Mary keep on burning, and we're rolling on the river, and we're rolling,
Not stop rolling. Look here, Aisha said me not stop rolling till they give me a pass.
Is Tina rolling in her grave?
No.
There are little issues with your voice, but you have a vibe.
Yes.
Yes.
Agreed.
You sure does. You sure do. Come.
Yes.